The democratization of tourism has produced a huge impact and changed drastically the way industry players approaches their challenges. Nowadays, the biggest problem is not only to invest in marketing campaigns to reach more customers, but to find the best hotel at a remote location, check their availability in real time, have the best agreements with them, and the best state-of-the-art technology platform to do it as fast as possible. Within this VUCA world, wholesalers, bed banks, and tour operators are now facing a very demanding environment where being efficient is not only needed but mandatory, and being efficacious during the decision-making process is what will differentiate them from their competitors. What if there was a solution that could tackle all those uncertainties within a single and integrated platform? That's the goal of Travel.ie. To understand it a bit better, I will make you a quick conceptual introduction regarding its layers. The first one is the data manager layer. It's responsible to filter, capture, process, optimize, and compress very large volumes of data in real time in order to have the most recent information available and allow managers to quick response any changes produced in their businesses. The second one is the data discovery layer. It's responsible to transform the data to information and present it on a control dashboard within a pre-configured graphics, KPIs, alarms, and reports on a customized screen for each user, narrowing the focus to what matters each time. The third layer is the augmented intelligence one. This layer uses machine learning techniques to detect patterns from the data and help managers to create a scoring from their clients and suppliers. Based on this scoring, the system will automatically recommend actions from where both business owners and product teams can take decisions to optimize their portfolio and inventory, which will then increase their conversion. The last one is the integrated automated business decision. Once the system learns from the data and applies the business strategy that managers have set, these layers will allow business owners to integrate data from other departments and activate an automated process triggered from data behavior. That's when magic happens right in front of your eyes. Now, my colleague Alba, Travel.ie product manager, will walk you through the key aspects of your platform.
Thanks, Caio. As my colleague says, in this video we will show you Travel.ie, our new product exclusively. Once logged in, we land on a homepage, a page where we summarize the status of the platform with the most relevant indicators. In addition, we have the machine learning tips section, where in a very natural way we get the most relevant information of the last few days. In this section, we find the monitor screens, dashboards that has been especially designed to be projected on screens around the office and let you see the status of your business at a glance. These screens have no interactions and can be shown in full screen, besides containing real-time data. Deep dive on the platform health screen, we have at a glance indicators such as data transfer, request, or active servers and those that give more errors, as well as distribution of response times. Also, an error screen with the distribution of errors by service, the classification and the evolution of this per hour. Finally, in this more business screen, we focus more on the revenue, the look to book, and the distribution of this per hour or zone, as well as comparison with errors to see how this affects. Now we move on to the applications. In this section, we find different dashboards grouped by theme. Let's see them more in detail. In Business Overview, we find more detailed business information. If you look at this KPI, it's different. We can configure the different indicators based on alarms to have a clear visual stimulus. For example, in this case, the bookings are below 250, a limit we have set previously. In addition, as users, we can also create alerts in real time to notify us by email, to us or to whoever we want, to be always informed without having to enter the platform. In this menu bar, we have different tabs to navigate through the different dashboards. Unlike the monitoring screens, these are interactive, and we can, for example, apply filters to see the information of a single customer, for instance. In this graph, we show the benefits by client. Look at this one. It has a very negative margin. What could be happening? If we click on it, we will be shown a menu of screens to which we can navigate to analyze the reason for this issue. For example, errors maybe have something to do with it. We see that we automatically navigate to that page and it appears with the client already filtered. Although the data is fake, we can see that this client has a high number of errors and very few bookings. Thanks to our platform, you can offer customers what they need to improve the look-to-book ratio and increase revenue. If we go back to the tabs, we will also find detailed tables with the information ready to be downloaded, in case we want to save it for later or visualize it in another platform. Clicking here, we see the options. As we explained before, the different dashboards are grouped in different menus. Here we have more specific information about the client, to see the performance of this. We can see KPIs about the request, distribution of the request, the different types, and different kinds of measures. In this way, we have information about customers, suppliers, and how to improve the connections between them to reduce traffic and infrastructure costs. Moreover, we optimize the hotel inventory by seeing in which areas we don't have product, for example, or knowing which markets demand which hotels and where. On this screen, we can track the status of the platform and communications in order to optimize your infrastructure and attack possible errors from the root and at the moment. We can also configure the dashboards to be sent automatically. You don't even have to be inside the platform to be able to continue with your analysis. This section here is certainly interesting. From a predefined list of fields and measures, users can create their own analysis. For example, we select this dimension, we click Run, and we can shape it into a different graph and add it to our report section, where we can continue with personalized analysis. Thanks for being with us today. We hope you feel like learning more about our product and start using it as soon as possible.
In our website, you'll find more information and a form to contact us. Thanks for watching us.
Thank you.